Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and I'm so excited to watch this trailer. We finally have the trailer for Dude, which stars Pradeep Ranganathan and it is directed by Kirti Swaran. So I don't want to delay this any further. It's quite a long duration trailer. It's more than 2.5 minutes. So yes, let's watch it right away. I know they released another song as well, which I will obviously listen to and react to. So yeah, before you comment that, oh, they have released another song, so where is the reaction? I will. But first priority is the trailer for me. So yeah, let's watch it. Okay. I really like this dude. I like this dude.
இனிமே எப்பெல்லாம் உனக்கு தம் அடிக்கும் போதோ அப்பதான் இந்த சாக்லேட் சாப்பிட்டேன்.
Okay.
அவளுக்கு ஒண்ணு பிடிச்சிருக்கு. எப்போ கல்யாணம் வச்சுக்கலாம்? நமக்குள்ள இந்த லவ்ல செட் ஆகாது.
என்னடா உன் கதை? கல்ல கண்டா நாய காண, நாய கண்டா கல்ல காணன்ற மாதிரி.
Okay.
பாட்டுக்கு செவனியில சிங்கிளா
Do men do that?
கிரிஞ்சா இருக்கா? ஒன்னு சொல்லி குத்துங்க. அடுத்த ஃபீலிங்ஸை கிரிஞ்சா பாக்குறது தான் இப்ப ட்ரெண்ட்.
That is true.
ஃப்ரண்ட்ல வச்ச லெக்க பேக்ல இருக்கிறது நம்ம ஹிஸ்டரியில இல்ல. எதுவா இருந்தாலும் நான் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
இந்த உடம்பு வச்சு சண்டைக்கு போறியே, உன்னால 10 பேர் வந்து அடிக்க முடியுமா?
100 பேர் வந்தாலும் அடி வாங்க முடியும். நம்மளோட என்னோட எல்லாம் லேட்டா நடக்கிற எதுவும் நம்ம கையில் இதுல என்ன கத்துக்கிறோன்றது மட்டும் நம்ம கையில இருக்கு.
நல்லா இருந்தா 2 பேர் லைஃப் நல்லா, இல்ல 2 பேர் தான் நாசமா.
இருந்தாலும் தாலிக்கு மரியாதை இல்லையா? தாலிக்கு என்ன மரியாதை?
Marriage is central to this story.
தேவ்தாஸ் சார், நீங்க ஏன் இவனுக்கு பண்றீங்க?
I do like the unplugged version more. I feel marriage is like very central to the story. Huh? And it's like this trailer was very dynamic. I feel I need to like watch it, rewatch it like 2-3 more times, which I will, but I just want to give you my first impression first. So what do I gather from this trailer? Lots going on, but what I gathered just from the first glimpse is that clearly both of them are first like buddy, right? They don't have feelings for each other, and probably Pradeep falls in love with Mamita, and he's trying to, I don't know, maybe impress her. But initially they are like chill, like bros. You know, it's something like that. That's the kind of vibe I got from the relationship of these two, the lead pair. And later, obviously, something happens. He falls in love, and she is clearly initially not really into him, but probably then they agree to get married. This is all, guys, guesswork. I do this. Then she leaves him at the altar. Something happens. She gets a panic attack because you see her kind of, I have a problem, I'm crying, something like that. Something happens, and she sprints away. And he is left alone, obviously. And I don't think he has his life together. That's another aspect of his characterization, is what I felt like, that even though Mamita really likes him as a friend, but he doesn't have his life together. Kind of, I mean, one can say, okay, could be same like what the plot point of Dragon was. Still looks a little bit different to me. Because in Dragon, there was a trigger of why he became like that, because he was a very good student and everything when he was in school and he gets rejected. So, but here I see that he, anyways, from the beginning doesn't have his life together. So we'll have to wait and watch, obviously, for the film to release and then understand why is he like that. Because he says that in the beginning, if you see the dialogue, in life, if you deal life a bad hand, the life will deal you one right back. So clearly, I mean, he is out of luck for various reasons in various situations. But then in the second part of the trailer, you see that Mamita's character clearly is going through some very heavy emotional trauma. We see Pradeep Ranganathan in a maternity hospital or something like that, but clearly a baby is also involved in this. So yeah, something to do with marriage, something to do with like marriage as a whole, or marriage as an institution of and what maybe both the partners play a role, like what is the role of both the partners. I feel it is the essential storyline is probably that, and it is heightened in a very, I don't know, hilarious or in a very fun, jolly, jovial manner, where we obviously have those emotional, heavy moments in the end or in the climax. Love Today also had a similar concept where it's like very funny, but through that hilarity, we are getting like a social message through it, right? Even Dragon had that, and I feel that Dude is going to also take one theme of marriage, and the story is presented in this particular format, which I feel Pradeep is really good at. Like, he is a pro in playing these characters. So casting wise, I think Pradeep is just perfect for these kind of stories. He's perfect. So, and I love him in the emotional scenes. Like when the dude cries, he like cries. So it just wells me up as well. So clearly the dude is going through a whole redemption arc again, is what my guess is. But if you have different guesses, or if you have a different theory of what this could be in terms of story, let me know. But yes, clearly we are in for laughs. We are in for a very nice, heartwarming story with probably a social message. This is my understanding after watching this for the first time. And there are a lot of great dialogues. The first dialogue, I really liked it. Then there was this other dialogue where it said that, others' feelings it's a trend to call other feelings cringe. That's also nice. And then there was this one more dialogue about, it's about the bride's feelings, something like that. So yeah, I think the central theme is marriage. That's what I felt. But I'm very excited for this film. And yeah, that was my review or my commentary after watching this trailer. But I definitely want to know your thoughts in the comments, and that was my reaction to Dude. And I'm gonna sign off now. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.